awesome. Oh, see you. See you, Mama. Look how many fish are there.
That's crazy.
Oh, look at that. They're blocking the fishes. Oh, how he swims like that?
He's a good swimmer.
How does the whale do it?
Journey has been safe and far away from the
So
dangerous
swimming.
predators who roam the high seas. At least
For whales?
until now.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Mama, look.
What's that?
That's the whale.
Nope.
What is that?
A shark.
Oh, great white.
It's
The great
big.
white shark,
It is.
the largest
What
predatory
he said? What did the people say?
Great white shark.
Oh my goodness. Look at the tail.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is that?
Seal.
What is seal doing?
Oh,
He's
swim.
swimming.
With the mattress, what did the shark do? Is the shark going to hurt him?
No.
Oh, what's he did?
It's got some seaweed.
Great white shark. Oh my goodness. Great white shark.
Isn't he big?
Look at him tail. Look at him. Oh my
Wow.
goodness. He goes straight to him tail.
Huge, hey?
Oh my gosh, he did a heck of a jump.
He from the he still eats seaweed.
Yeah.
He likes seaweed.
Yeah. Look how high he was in the air. Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
He thinks he's swimming.
I've never seen one go airborne like that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Dive.
It's really making a point.
What's this side?
He's really a seaweed lover.
What's this side?
Hopefully the seaweed doesn't fall out when he slaps the water.
No.
No. Look at that. That's a magnet.
Oh.
Okay. Look at that flash.
That's a big splash.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. At least he eats his vegetables.
Look at that.
The ice
Mama.
melts.
Wow, what is that?
Melted.
Oh, the ice is migrating.
Look, how did ice can move?
I don't know.
What?
Even the ice has to be scared of something. The sun is no good.
Mom and the two cubs have had a hard time on the shifting ice, and she's forced to lead the hungry cubs back to shore.